Dear students, good afternoon. This organizational behavior. I am going on with discussion, stressing important topics, as this is a virtual class. So, in the traditional manner as of how we maintain our delivery, a little bit change format. Here methods of the OS factors, elements, techniques of employee motivation. It's a method and how to, which techniques needed to follow. As motivation is the level of energy, commitment, and creativity that the company's workforce workers apply to their jobs. Increasing motivation in our workplace can help improve performance, raise morale, and boost productivity. Here are some points you need to follow. That is the number one, creative and positive work environment. Employers need, or management need to develop creative, a positive work environment. If the working environment is not positive, with creativity, then the workers and workforce will not be interested to do their job with satisfaction. So, working atmosphere must be beautiful, which will attract the workforce to do their jobs with dissatisfaction. Then set goals. If goal setting is in the right way and right track, then the workers or employees will be very much interested to develop their objectives and goal setting. Not only does this give the employees something to strive for, but their business benefits when the goals are tied to corporate contributions. Like such goals are reasonable and achievable, so employees don't get discouraged. Encourage them when they hit notable milestones. Then they provide incentives. Incentives is necessary. When goal cited, then incentive both for the financial and non-financial when provided to the workforce, and they will be much more interested and inclined to do their assigned duties and responsibilities. With their own redesigned better working atmosphere or effort. Recognize achievements. Achievements should be recognized. When the workers are working in the factory and they are doing well and positively, the overall working atmosphere is fine and output of overall activities, both from manufacturing goods or developing services, and this performance is also delivered and discussed within the group meeting. Then so positively the workforce will be very much interested and their mental development will be exploring. And tomorrow they will do much more much more to provide the better quality job. That is the thing. Then share profit. Workforce will be much more motivated when they will know, yes, the company is ready to share a certain percentage of profit, which profit is attained year-long earning. So there is a certain percent when is given to the workforce, I may say for the 5% or 10% or 20% out of the total profit, then that will be very much charming for them, and they should take it very nicely and would be encouraged more to doing their jobs with all satisfaction, sincerity and devotion. Then solicit employee input, yes. Regularly survey employees about their levels of satisfaction. You can conduct anonymous polls or hire an independent party to conduct a normal and formal focus group. This will help you to catch the potential moral breakers before they get out of hand. And soliciting employee input also shows the staffers that you care about their opinions and want to continually improve working conditions. Provide professional enrichment. Encourage employees to continue their education and training. On-the-job training and concerned education will help or lead the workers and employees to do their duties and responsibilities with sincerity and devotion. As a result, when they manufacture goods, then that quality of that goods will be highly sophisticated and as per the specification of that product. Yes. So this will provide professional enrichment. Then business promotion. Obviously, the total workforce is motivated doing their assigned duties and responsibilities, and they will be motivated such up to that level that they will do their marketing of their own produced product. If the total system, all including production, finance, marketing, direction, all these things are functioning in the right way and right track. So, if the workforce are charmed and satisfied with manufacturing their own product for the shipment or for the local market, whatever, in that case, they will act as the representative of their own factory. Okay? And the survey. Survey are used widely today by almost every company. Regular surveys as required to maintain the overall manufacturing system, financial system, automation system, manpower system, staffing system. So, survey is very indispensable. Then the determination of barriers. Employee motivation techniques like surveys can be used in the determination of whether any barriers exist. The barriers can take the form of ethical issues and the problems which co-workers, just to name a few. It's critical to identify these existing roadblocks and eliminate them for their easier motivating process. So when the bar is confirmed, then to overcome the bar would be possible, not otherwise. The building employee recognition program. And the management should have to think in the right way. They have to construct the building employee recognition program. Right where the management should think, yes, the workers and the personnel are doing in the right way, right track, and so that their quality job is ensured. In that case, they will try for the better benefit for the workforce and so I found the employees to seek the awards, which are more valuable and not just a plaque on the wall. Then, enjoyable working environment. Yes, when the workers are working, not only for the workers, also for the executives or the senior level management, when working, then there should have an atmosphere which will charm them to do the job in the right way. Assemble roundtable committee bring together for 5 or 6 people, like mid-level, mid-leaders, department heads, etc. They have a group to elect one representative. This individual will meet with management to discuss the issue and concerns of the employees. Then the next point is there is no I in the team. Yeah, I am doing all these things. I am the most genius, I am the most efficient, I can do this and that, what not. This term, this word, this letter has to avoid. Because other workers and employees will not be satisfied and they will be frustrated rather. In that case, better we, instead of saying I, rather we have to say we. Then positive reinforcement. Yeah, reinforcement, the word reinforcement is a very positive. Well, word itself is a very much positive. To start newly, or to restart from a certain point. Yes, the workers are working. The employees or the personals, all of the personals are working. In the factory, but a certain period of time it may decline their performance and role. In that point, we can additional expertise, we can additional latest technology-based automation. The manufacturing system will be reinforced. In that point, the reinforcement is very important thing. Then build trust and respect. Trust and respect must be veiled, not otherwise. All the efforts will go into vain. Then cross training. Yeah, cross training is not only a cross training, it's just simply on the job training. It's not enough. Nowadays it's very critical in nature. In that case, there should have a provision of cross training so that the workers and employees will be able to they'll be able, the quite a better exchange program will be arranged. Each and every worker will be able to exchange the views, concept and technical expertise and knowledges to other. In that case, all activities, all the jobs will better at the atmosphere of better functioning. So, now the topics we'll have to discuss, that is the importance of motivation in the industrial sectors employees of Bangladesh. Yes, very important thing. The workers are working class people of industrial, those who are working in the industrial sector of Bangladesh, they need to be motivated, otherwise our mills and factories will not be sustained long. Well, you know, nowadays is the days of the modern and updated technology. Each and every factory needs modern technology. But one thing is this, if modern technology is, there is a question of matching. If that technology is not matched with our culture, then there will be transferred. Then,
Start.
So improves the level of efficiency of employees. Motivation improves the level of employees, efficiency of employees, because they can concentrate better. And so, as they can concentrate better in performing their duties and responsibilities, so their job will be very much nice and as per the design. That would obviously increase in productivity regarding cost and operations and improving the overall efficiency. Then the next point is the leads to achievement of organizational goals. When we want to achieve the goals of the organization, then positively, not only goals of organization, also side by side goals of myself. When I will be able to concentrate in fullest in performing my duties and responsibilities, then positively that will be very much positive, and I will be able to achieve my own goal as I designed it myself. But at the same time, as I am doing well, as I can do work better, so positively, if such way, and other workers are also working and thinking this the same way, then obviously the organizational goal will be achieved with right quality, right time, at the right cost. Then builds friendly relationship. Yeah, well, we are happy because I'm getting handsome salary, at the same time other allowances and benefits, financial and non-financial benefits. So positively I will be satisfied. I will be remain all the time satisfied with my organization. And then there I will work with sincerity and devotion. I will be able, and then it will be possible from my side to ask all my colleagues in terms of the job, what I can do smoothly. And then and there they will be there also all the time is ready to extend their cooperations, what I want to know, to tell me, to reach me, to or help me, to let it know. As a result, it will be possible from okay. Then the monetary and non-monetary incentives. Here the question is concerned to monetary and non-monetary incentives and promotion opportunities for the employees. I am working here lifelong, but I am not promoted. That is very frustrating. So there should have the logical provision for promotion. Then this incentives for inefficient employees. If this incentive atmosphere prevail, and that will affect the weak employees. Then leads to a stability of workforce. Motivation leads to a stability of workforce. Workforce when working. Yeah, we are working with confidence. There's no problem from our side because owners and management are very fine. They are providing us necessary incentives and other financial, both financial and non-financial facilities. In that case, I want to stay here long till my service tenure. Yes, and so that I would have to think this is my organization. Here I am getting my salary and wages. At the same time, this organization is fine in terms of manufacturing, sophisticated manufacturing system. As a result, the goodwill and image of this organization is far better than some other organizations. So, workforce should be established. If excessive and huge turnover is there, and they will be not interested or inclined to do their jobs, perform their tasks, duties and responsibilities. Then, motivation is important to an industry as the more motivated employees are, the more empowered the team is. The more is the teamwork and individual employee contribution, more profitable and successful is the industry. Lastly, during the period of amendments, there will be more adaptability and creativity. Okay. So motivation in all points of view, motivation is top margin and important to motivate the worker. And if the workers are motivated, yes, they will be very much inclined and interested in pursuing their duties and responsibilities with sincere devotion. And sometimes problem, if they themselves don't know how to solve the problem, then that will be developed, and so that the workers will be very much inclined and interested to doing their duties and responsibilities with sincere devotion. Anyway, thank you, students. In the next class, we will go through with the different other topics. Okay, best of luck.